Hi everyone, this is Rima from Walls and More, and I promised I would show you how to do the curled ribbon, just in case you didn't know. And by the way, I'm feeling terribly exhausted. My kitchen is a mess. But I'm going to turn you down just to show you what I'm doing. Well, actually, I'm going to turn you up. I just got my ribbon. I don't know how many I need, so I'll make quite a bit. And I'm going to cut it here. And you want to make it into the tiniest piece that you can. I'm just doing this just to tie off the end. And all I'm going, you can make it curlier than this if you want, but I'm going to turn this down and throw it in the water. And you let it boil for several minutes. And when you finish doing that, after it boils for 2-3 minutes, I could make another one because now that I was able to turn it down. You could also do this to it, roll it around 3 of your fingers. You can make them ahead of time and just leave them for whenever you need them. I'm just cutting with my lousy scissors the edges. You see, I can make it like this, and I might just tie something around it like an elastic band. And throw that in the water. So now we have 2 of them. After you leave them to boil for several minutes, you're going to take them out. Let me take the bigger one out. It's hot. Put it on a plate. Can you see the plate? Yeah. And leave them to dry. I'll come back when they are dry. See you soon. Okay, so now these are dry. I actually cheated and used my my heat gun. We're just going to unravel. And you can see the ones that I did at the end, the wrapping around, actually gave me quite a bit of curls. Let's see this one. I think this one might end up being a lot better. So you wrap it as much as you want, because it's up to you to decide how tight you want it. Like, see this? This is quite tight compared to this. And this is how you do it. Thanks for watching.